The concept of machine dominance in society refers to a scenario where machines, powered by artificial intelligence and advanced robotics, take over critical functions traditionally managed by humans, potentially usurping control over economic, political, and social systems. This idea often conjures images of a future where human roles are significantly diminished or transformed as technology becomes the primary driving force behind societal operations. The significance of this point, in relation to the broader topic of machines taking over society, is profound, as it challenges our fundamental understanding of agency, control, and the nature of work. Such a shift could redefine civilization's structure, influencing everything from job markets to governance. Two instructive examples of this concept in action can already be observed, albeit in nascent stages. Firstly, the increasing automation in manufacturing, where robots now handle roles that once required human dexterity and decision-making, demonstrates machines' expanding capacity in executing complex tasks. Factories around the world are employing AI-driven systems to optimize production lines, thus reducing the need for human intervention. Secondly, the emergence of algorithmic trading in financial markets exemplifies machines' ability to dominate in sectors requiring rapid decision-making and execution, thereby supplanting human traders and redefining financial ecosystems. Proponents of machine dominance argue that such a paradigm shift could lead to unprecedented efficiencies and innovations. They envision a world where machines handle mundane tasks, freeing humans to engage in creative and interpersonal endeavors, potentially elevating societal well-being. However, this concept is fraught with challenges and controversies. Critics worry about the loss of jobs, ethical concerns surrounding AI decision-making, and the erosion of personal privacy as machines become more intertwined with daily life. A significant alternative viewpoint raises concerns about the concentration of power. Who controls these machines, and by extension, the future of society? Connections to other aspects of the topic include the ethical considerations of machine autonomy and the redefinition of human identity and purpose in an automated world. Furthermore, as machines gain dominance, the lines between human and machine intelligence blur, prompting questions about consciousness and life itself. This evolution forces humanity to reconsider its role in the universe, highlighting existential concerns as technology does not just coexist with humans, but begins to overshadow them. Such reflections and debates mold the narrative of machine dominance, making it a cornerstone in discussions about our digital future. The evolution of machine intelligence refers to the progressive advancements in computational systems, resulting in machines acquiring the ability to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This encompasses developments in areas such as machine learning, natural language processing, and neural networks, where machines learn from data and improve their operations over time. As machine intelligence evolves, it becomes increasingly proficient at mimicking human thought processes, decision-making, and problem-solving abilities. The significance of this point in relation to the overarching topic of machines taking over society cannot be overstated. As machines become more intelligent, the potential for them to assume critical roles in governance, healthcare, transportation, and other societal frameworks grows exponentially. This evolution raises profound questions about autonomy, control, and ethical boundaries in a machine-dominated society, thus shaping the future of human interaction with technology. Take, for instance, autonomous vehicles. They utilize advanced machine learning algorithms to navigate complex environments without human intervention, promising to revolutionize transportation by reducing accidents and congestion. Similarly, AI-driven diagnostic tools in healthcare can analyze medical data at unprecedented speeds, providing early and accurate diagnoses that save lives and reduce costs. Leading figures in technology, like Elon Musk and Stephen Hawking, have expressed both optimism and caution about the rise of machine intelligence. While many proponents argue that advanced machines will enhance productivity and drive innovation, critics fear that unchecked growth in AI capabilities could lead to machines surpassing human control, posing existential risks. Challenges associated with the evolution of machine intelligence are manifold. One major concern involves ethical considerations, such as bias in AI algorithms that could propagate inequality or discrimination. Furthermore, as machines take over jobs traditionally performed by humans, economic displacement and unemployment could follow, necessitating thoughtful societal adjustments. The evolution of machine intelligence connects deeply with other aspects of machines taking over society, influencing everything from regulation and ethics to economic and labor dynamics. As machines continue to evolve, they redefine the structures of power and decision-making, necessitating a re-evaluation of societal norms. Understanding this evolution is crucial to navigating the potential benefits and pitfalls of a future where machines play a dominant role in our lives, emphasizing the need for robust frameworks to guide their integration into society. The concept of mechanisms of societal control by machines refers to the various ways in which machines and artificial intelligence could potentially govern or influence the societal structures, behaviors, and day-to-day functions of human life. This idea is significant in the context of the main topic: what if machines took over society, as it explores the extent to which machines, when entrusted with advanced decision-making capabilities, could begin to dictate or manage aspects of human existence, ranging from governance to personal freedoms. One specific example of such mechanisms is the use of AI in surveillance systems. In many countries, advanced AI algorithms are deployed to monitor public spaces, ostensibly for security purposes. These systems can recognize faces, track movements, and predict behaviors, effectively creating a network of control where machines play a pivotal role in enforcing societal norms and laws. Another real-world application is found in the automated management of resources through smart city technologies. Here, AI systems control traffic lights, manage energy use, and even influence public policy decisions concerning urban development and resource allocation. The machine-driven optimization, while efficient, highlights a shift in control from human to automated systems. Proponents argue that these mechanisms enhance efficiency, reduce human error, and can lead to better societal outcomes like improved security and resource use. They assert that machine governance could lead to less biased decision-making, as AI could, theoretically, be programmed to operate free of human prejudices. However, potential challenges arise from the ethical and philosophical implications of such control. Critics question the loss of human agency and the potential for misuse or overreach by those who program these machines. There is also concern over privacy and the erosion of individual freedoms in a world where machines dictate personal and societal functions. The mechanisms of societal control by machines are intrinsically linked to the broader question of autonomy and governance in a machine-dominated society. As machines take on more roles traditionally carried out by humans, the balance of power shifts, raising questions about accountability, ethical programming, and the very nature of societal progress. This aspect of machine control highlights both the potential benefits and the significant risks associated with entrusting machines with the keys to our societal engines, thereby inviting an ongoing debate about the future roles machines should play in structuring humanity. Practical applications of machine governance refer to real-world implementations where machines and artificial intelligence systems take on decision-making roles traditionally filled by human oversight. This concept involves utilizing advanced algorithms and machine learning to govern processes, thereby potentially increasing efficiency consistency, and objectivity in areas previously managed by humans. The significance of this point becomes clear when considering a society increasingly influenced by technology. As machines take over more societal functions, exploring practical applications of machine governance illustrates a critical dimension of assessing the feasibility, benefits, and challenges of such a transition. In terms of real-world applications, one example is in traffic management. Cities like Los Angeles and London have begun implementing AI-powered systems to control and optimize traffic flow, using data from sensors and cameras. These systems make real-time decisions to minimize congestion, reducing commute times and emissions without human intervention in the decision-making process. Another application is in the financial sector, where algorithmic trading systems govern a vast portion of trading activities in stock markets. These systems execute trades based on predefined criteria with minimal human input, promising faster and, in many cases, more profitable decision-making outcomes. Supporters of machine governance argue that AI has the potential to surpass human capabilities in several domains due to its capacity to process large data sets and identify trends beyond human perception. They believe that eliminating human biases could lead to fairer, more objective decisions, theoretically improving governance quality. However, this concept is not without controversy or challenges, particularly concerning ethical considerations, accountability, and trust. Critics argue that ceding control to machines could lead to governance devoid of empathy and moral judgment. Moreover, there is concern over who holds responsibility for decisions made by machines, especially if they lead to unintended negative consequences. This idea of machine governance intertwines with other aspects of machines taking over society, such as the ethical implications of AI and the potential impact on employment. As machines assume governance roles, human oversight may evolve towards ensuring machines operate within ethical parameters, emphasizing a shift in the nature of work. Furthermore, while advancements in machine governance may lead to improved operational efficiency, they may also necessitate new education and training paradigms to ensure that people remain capable of interacting effectively with these systems, underpinning a broader societal transformation.